All right, here is a Hampton Bay Bridgeton. This is a 4-5 blade one from 1997. It only had 4 of the 5 blades when I got it. This is actually a Tory Ailes fan originally. And yeah, this is the next one in the church. Shades are not original, but I think they look pretty nice on it with the brass rings. And yeah, I think this actually looks pretty nice with 4 blades. Some versions look a little weird with 4, but I think this particular version actually looks nice. So. And there's the light, there's the low. It performs a lot like a DC-42. It's pretty much the same fan. There's with the DC-52 over there. I think that one's a medium. Medium. Yeah, this room obviously originally had another one of the round light fixtures, but this room actually had a fluorescent put over the original. It's the 2 holes where it was anchored. Really good air mover, honestly. It's a lot like a DC-42. Some people call these the Bridgeport. I think it's actually a Bridgeton, if I'm not mistaken. But this is actually one of my favorite Hampton Bays. I have another one of these myself. This one's a little more beat up, so this is a good one to put up in the church, but really nice runner. It's interesting. It has the more pronounced Hampton Bay logo instead of the sticker. I know in the 90s they were doing that sticker quite a bit, so this must have been one of the earlier ones to have the full badge. Attic access there. All right.